Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, enable to play video when you're using your Facebook, check your internet connection and try again. So why you see this error and how you can fix it. So mostly you just need to check your internet connection, so it's just caused by your bad internet connection. So just go to the settings, in the settings just open Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. So after you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, and also you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also if you still have this error, so you can also just go to the general, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So, and the latest option you can try to update your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write here Facebook, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update. It means that you have available updates for your Facebook app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.